Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm thinking of making a calculator using C. This is div C++. So I will create a new source file, as you see, and I will write include std standard input output dot h, and the thing is to create a function called int main function, leave it as void, and here we start. So first we want to get from user two numbers, so let's say we want an integer number, so let's create a variable called int number 1 and num2. Wait a second. Okay, I guess that's great. Now we will ask the user, first we will printf. I'll tell the user to enter those two names. Enter. I will tell the computer to scanf or get it. Scanf division D stand for decimal. We want the address commercial and num1. So we will copy that and do it again, but this time for number 2 and that one for number 2. Now we will tell him to write the operation so between number 1 and number 2. Copy that one, paste it, enter or so here we will create a variable char character called the op operation, stand for operation. Enter the operation. So here we will division C, and here the address of the OP. So after that we'll detect if operation if OP equal to one of those, equal to multiplication, you will do tabulation, num1 multiplied by num2 and return it. So we will do print f. That one is like the result, result is and here we will create d %d. So else if so here op equal small op equal to plus or minus, you will do that one, tab v, and here do number 1 minus the number 2, else if. Now here we'll do just the for operation. So here we still need the division. So okay, here it can be a float number, so we'll do something like that, float, to avoid the float number. So right now let's test. Everything is great. Control save. I will save it as C source, and I will say calculator. Great. So let's compile it. Okay, everything is good. So now we'll enter the first is 15. Okay, I forgot about some. I'll fix it right now. The second number is 16. Oh my god, bro, he did the division. But wait, I guess here I should type something called get char, I guess. Okay, wait, I need to fix something else. Like that, and let's go. Now we'll write the first one, the second one is 16, and here he will wait for the operation. I will explain that one. So when the code came out to that thing, so he counted that in as an operation. So when he did not found it in those statements, he went directly to that one. So now let's try it again. Okay, the operation is division. Let's see. You see, the result is 0. If we want the code to repeat until something happen, we will do it right now. So if you, let's say, let's create a while loop. While true, while 1, it means while true, it will always stay like that. Then we'll fit the code inside. What the, are you kidding me, bro? Okay, I guess I have to do something like that. I pressed tab, so else if else. Great. So when we want our code to exit, when the operation is equal to E, so I will create a code right here, else if op equal to alphabet E. So like that, it will do break. Except that, or you can stop it by returning 0, you know, it does work. And at the end we will do return 0. So it is not important, it just tells you that there are no errors in your code, so we'll do it. But we'll say 45, 85. So we will do multiplication. So this is the result. Oh, I forgot. I should switch. I should go to the next line. Backslash n means next line. And let's start to avoid the last error that we have seen. So 16, the operation is multiplication. As you see, the result is the number 240. Now we can do another test, like 89 minus, no, not in the same line, 89 48, the operation is minus, and here it is. You are forced to enter two numbers, so let's say then press E and code will exit.